As Arnold said, the body is very important, but the mind is more important than the body. I know that as soon as you begin approaching your workouts and your life with this mind and body approach, you will have greater successes in all areas of your life. What puts you over the top? It is the mind that actually creates the body. It is the mind that really makes you work out 4 to 5 hours a day, and it is also the mind that visualizes what the body ought to look like as the finished product. These are also some words of Arnold Schwarzenegger. The mind-muscle connection. That's what Arnold talked about, right? Well, yes, but he wasn't the only one, as I discovered recently when going through some old material written by Peary Rader. Peary Rader was perhaps one of the most influential men in spreading physical culture in 20th century America, and someone worth reading if you have the chance. He produced Iron Man magazine for decades, publicized programs such as the 20-rep squat, and provided valuable nutritional advice. And after a few minutes, you will be familiar to some crispy tips to make a good mind-muscle connection. So hello everyone, this is Omar Army and we are back again with another video titled Workout Tips for Mind-Muscle Connection. The mind-muscle connection is something that can be a big factor in helping you achieve personal fitness successes. So, what is mind-muscle connection? The mind-muscle connection means you are mentally connected to the body and how it's working while you're performing activities. Most of you reading this lift weights and are dedicated to training for a variety of reasons. I doubt this is something you simply do nonchalantly. You probably go into the gym to make the most out of the workouts and accomplish your goals. So, let's take our first tip. Focus on training the muscle, not lifting the weight. This is the overall mindset you need when you go to the gym. It can be tempting to focus more on the number on the weights and doing what you have to do, get it up when you start to reach failure. The main idea you need to establish before you start is that you are there to train the chest, not bench X number of pounds. You want to focus on quadriceps and leg press every plate in the weight room. The weight has to be the mean to an end, and that end is working the muscle. Number 2. Visualize. You can watch the muscles working when you are training in front of a mirror, but that may not be available at all times, so that's when this came into play. Arnold Schwarzenegger used to be a big believer in visualization and felt it helped him maximize his physique when he was in his prime, winning Olympiads against the likes of Sergio Olivier Sr. and Lou Ferrigno. When he trained biceps, he visualized them as mountains and would see them grow with each rep. At his peak, his upper arm measured close to 23 inches, so you can't argue the results. Number 3. Slow down the reps. This is a popular method of increasing time under tension, but it's also a good way to improve your mind-muscle connection. Performing the reps slower helps you feel the muscles working and stretching from start to finish. Do this one with exercises like concentration curls. Isolation movements like this are much more effective with slower reps, and you will know for sure that the muscles are working. You might reach failure sooner than expected, but the overall purpose will still be served. Flex in between sets. I know the image that may have entered your mind when you read this one, but don't jump the gun on me. I'm not asking you to stand in front of the mirror and perform all the mandatory poses like you are on stage at a bodybuilding show. Instead, I'm suggesting that you take a few seconds where you are and flex the muscles you're working while you're recovering. Let's talk triceps for a minute. You just finished a set of rope press downs. After you release the rope, simply stand where you are, straighten your arms to your sides and flex the triceps for a few seconds. Have your partner touch the muscles. This is one that is most beneficial for the muscles that you can't see, like the back or rear delts. You might have seen clips online of a coach or trainer touching the back or rear delts of someone training. This actually can be a very effective method to help the athlete training have a productive set. You can't see the muscles behind you working unless there are mirrors that are just in the right position. So when you feel that person touching that area and you feel it, it helps you feel those muscles working too. It is a small gesture that can help you maximize each rep, set, and workout. So, are there other ways you found to establish your own mind-muscle connection? Let us know what you do in the comment section below so some fellow lifters can possibly benefit. Like the video, subscribe the channel, and press that bell icon for more hot stuffs. See you guys in the next video.